To install Google Maps on Windows 11 is really quite simple. The first thing we're going to do is launch Google Chrome and then search and go to Google Maps, the website. From here, we're going to go into the top right-hand corner of Google Maps, and you can see there is a little download button that actually says install Google Maps where my mouse is currently over. If you don't see this option though, you can select on the three dots, the ellipses in the top right-hand corner, scroll down to where it says install Google Maps, and this is going to open up with an option of installing the app. You're simply going to select on install, and you're going to see Google Maps is going to install. It's now appeared as an icon down the bottom in our taskbar. You have Google Maps as a program at the top here that says Google Maps. And if I press my start button and I go into all of my applications, I scroll down to G, and it also has Google Maps here as well. One thing here is that this will only work when you are online. So if you're trying to search something offline, you're not going to be able to use Google Maps. But it is that easy to install Google Maps on Windows 11. If you like this video, let me know by giving a thumbs up. And of course, if you want to supercharge the ways your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.